In this lesson, we're going to learn how to simplify our algebraic expressions. So let's get started. Let's say we had 3 times x times y. We can actually get rid of these x and presume what our equation is for simplicity. So hence simplifying. So we could actually write it as 3xy. So essentially this means the same as this side. Now let's try if we do x times 3 times y. Now you could actually write it like this, but convention says that we should actually write the number first. So it should actually always have the 3 first, x, y. So we have the number written first. Let me write that down. And then the letters, or better still, the pronumerals, should be in alphabetical order. So whilst this essentially would mean the same, it is more it's better convention to write it with the 3 first. Okay, so let's have another go. Let's say we had 5 times a times c times b plus 4 times f times k. Now to simplify this, is what we could actually do is add these two numbers together. So we're simplifying it, so that'll become 9. And then we're going to remember our law, I should actually say our communicative law, which is when we have the numbers first and then the pronumerals in order. That's our communicative law. So now we're going to be writing A, B, take out our multiplication, B, C, there's no D, no E, F, and then K. So this answer here is exactly the same as up here, although this has now been simplified. Okay, let's have another go at another one. Let's say we have 6 times AB times C. Now remember, we've got a bit of both here. We've got our multiplication here, but don't forget there's also a secret one here just to trick you. So how this is actually, if we were to write this out expanded form, it would actually be 6 times A times B times C. But in this case we can just jump straight to and go 6 A, B, C. Okay, so let's have another look at something slightly harder. So 2 times 4x plus 3y. So in this case, our commutative law tells us that we need to multiply out our real numbers first, which is the 2, 4, and the 3. So 2 times 4 is 8, times 3 is 24. Then we're left with our pronumerals, which is x and y. So in this case it would be xy. So this again is the same as this, but this has been simplified. Okay, one more for good measure. Let's say we have 2a times 3b times 2c. So again, we're looking at our pronumerals, which is our real numbers, which is 2 and 3 and 2. So in this case we have 2 times 3 is 6, times 2, wrong pen, is 12. And then our pronumerals are A, B and C, so it's just A, B, C. Okay, so now I'd like you to have a go at some problems here. Have a go at these and bring the answers into class.